Hi folks, I'm Sjames with Blue Water Yacht Sales. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 31 Regulator. The boat is in extremely nice condition. It stays in a floating covered shed. Join me for a walk. So, twin 300s. The dock water is not turned on yet. So you can see we still got some pollen on. The water's not turned on. So I haven't been able to squirt the pollen off. But removable ski pylon, there's the mounts for it right there. This boat has a refrigerated transom fish box. It does have Helmmaster joystick docking, so you see the Helmmaster lights right there. Gray hull, color matched motor bracket. There's the starboard side door. Also, we're seeing the covers that are on the helm seat, the dash, and the front console seat. These are factory covers. All right, so LED spotlight, FlIR camera, updated Garmin electronics. This boat has a 22-inch Garmin multifunction display. The FlIR camera, all of the GPS, HD radar, all that stuff is run through that that Garmin MFD. Thru-stem Anchor Windlass. All of the upholstery is in very good shape. It's got the gray piping in the upholstery. You see that gray piping there. The front seat cushions, the forward table, all that stuff is in the owner's house that's here in town. So also we've got the same gray on the underside of the T-top as on the hull. On this boat, the owner had us remove the original frameless windshield that went right there. We glassed the holes and had that three-sided polycarbonate enclosure that you see. We had that installed. So that looks good. Taco crank-up outriggers, looking at them. Again, this does have the Helmmaster joystick, so you see that funny-looking antenna right in there. That's the Helmmaster antenna. Okay, I'm going to step on board. All right, so I'm up on the boat now. We'll start up here at the beginning. So, thru-stem Anchor Windlass. Let's look and see how clean everything is in there. Right there is the switch, so you can run that Anchor Windlass from up here, or you can run it from the helm. All right, turning around. The forward table goes right there. It does have a cushion that goes on top. There's the cover for the forward console seat. Spotlight, FlIR camera, open array radar. All right, if we jump down here, let's say you're anchored, just enjoying the day. You're sitting up front, got the stereo on, and you need to turn the stereo down. This boat has a Fusion remote that's up there. That is not anything you'll see anywhere else. That's custom. Storage, all of these compartments are super clean. This boat has the lift up front seat backrest. And again, all these cushions are in perfect condition. They're in the seller's home. Let's do this. I'll take us down here. And I'm just going to toss this out of the way. So there's the front console seat. Armrest. Armrest. Let's change our view here real quick. And then we've got this is a drink box. Insulated drink box right there. In the floor forward. Okay, big forward fish box. It is also made for rod storage. and it does have a macerator that is located in the aft bilge. You see the lock. This is a lockable compartment. So the powder coating on this boat, powder coating is in perfect condition. We'll look up, come across, look here. Except for a little bit of pollen. Perfect condition. All right, so we've got, let's go, there's that 22-inch Garmin screen, 4-inch Garmin radar, Garmin autopilot, 4-inch data repeater, and there's your Yamaha screen. So this is a custom dash. All of these switches, the switch panel was redone by New Wire, and it is a custom dash panel. So T-top lights right here. There are the blue lights here, LEDs. You see there's a stereo speaker overhead. There's a VHF radio speaker overhead. There's a VHF radio. There's a stereo head unit. There's the remote spotlight. All right, so again, really big Garmin screen. We can switch to, we'll switch to a couple things. There's combos. This does have the B275 low, high, and wide chirp transducer. It's in low chirp right now. We'll switch to a couple of other. If you want to run your stereo, you can run it through there. You can also run it through there. This is all of your inputs. This is Bluetooth, XM, Sirius XM, AM, FM, and you have an auxiliary. You can auxiliary plug right here. The FlIR camera, which I am just now turning on. You can get to that right here, and when that powers up, we'll be able to see that there. As for our, let's go look at engine, menu, trip. Engine hours I'm going to find here. Okay, there's our FlIR camera. Look at the guy cutting that grass across the creek. This camera does have pan and tilt. Couple other things. Joystick with set point, so it'll position hold for you. You see the extension cord on the floor. The battery charger is plugged in. Individual armrest for both helm seats. Individual footrests that are folding right there. You want a trash can? Perfect. There's trash can. Okay, I'm going to move these covers. All right, so again, this boat does have, it's got the refrigerated transom fish box. It's actually, that's the compressor right there. Let's look at how clean the bilge is. It does have the bucket holder. So I mentioned before that end deck fish box, there's the macerator for it right there. The macerator sits up vertical, so no water sits in the pump. The pump sits upright. Works very well. Let's close. Again, this model does have the starboard side door. Okay, the dive ladder clips in those two little keyholes right there. The dive ladder is stored on the underside of this hatch. So again, this box is the live well. This box is the refrigerated transom fish box. Great place for lunch or drinks or sandwiches, whatever you want. And then this is the fold out aft seat. Again, just a comment about upholstery. The upholstery's just about perfect. Okay, so a couple other things here. So engine hours, there's 685 on the port, 684 on the starboard. So this does have, I'm gonna zoom in here, we do have AIS. You'll see there's an AIS target across the creek. Probably that little power boat right there. I'm not going to transmit the radar because I'm inside the building, but and we've got AIS targets here too. So again, just a couple other things that we're looking at. Your wash downs right where they're supposed to be. We'll go inside the console next. Okay, I'm inside the console now. So here's the back of the 22-inch Garmin display. There's the Yamaha engine display right there. So house battery, battery 1, battery 2. Amplifier for the stereo. Battery charger. Again, everything's easy to get to. Everything's neat, clean. Battery switches. Here's your Garmin update card reader. Okay, so when it's time to do updates, and then you got a little bit of rod storage, freshwater flushing, electric head, sink, some more rod storage, a little bit of mirror. There's your port light right there. Back my way out of here real quick. A little bit of storage in the door. So again, clean, responsibly owned. We talked about this before. So this is that helm enclosure. It is a polycarbonate enclosure, and you can see that they made it so that curtains can be attached right here. Again, the powder coat's near perfect, as is the upholstery. Thanks again for your time. I'm Scott James. You'll reach me at 757-570-3944 or sjames@bluewateryachtsales.com.